Is that the same person transformed by makeup? Ah, the power of makeup. It can transform the ugliest to the most gorgeous, prompting awe and wonder from the viewers. It can also create hideous transformations out of the most good-looking people, making us smirk in amusement. Hello, and welcome to Saguaro. In this video, is that the same person transformed by makeup? Witness some of the amazing makeup transformations. They will leave you speechless and will truly make your day. But before we proceed with the entertainment, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and hit that notification bell to see more videos on makeup tutorials and tips. Get ready to have your mind blown by these incredible makeup transformations. That's it! You just watch. Is that the same person? Transformed by makeup. Which of the makeup transformations is your favorite? Comment down below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Click the notification bell, or I will release a tarantula in your room while you're sleeping. Don't forget to check out my other videos.